Today, I'm gonna show you how to put on a new end to your cord. You know you melted it and you run it over with your freaking trailer and it's gone. What do? I'm about to teach you, don't worry. I'm Nick Glassett, owner of The Jump Off. Let's get plugging. All right, so you're going to need your cord, obviously, okay? You just buy these at any hardware store. You can get them on Amazon, like in a 10-pack or something. I don't even know. I'll put the Amazon down in the description, the Amazon link down in the description, okay? You need a screwdriver, and you need a nice, sharp utility knife. Okay, so what you're gonna do is take this apart, all right? So you're just gonna unscrew this, and it will open up nice and wide. Ooh, this one's a tight one. This one should come off. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And we're gonna kind of just set this bad boy aside. Okay. And then you're going to take this part off. Oh, I got one screw in there. Shit, my screwdriver's too fucking big. Do over. Okay, so then you're going to take off these front ones like that. Okay, and it'll come apart nice and easy. Okay, and then in here you have your three different prongs, right? So 1 prong, 2 prong, and then this is your ground. Okay, so you're gonna take your cord and your utility knife, and what I like to do is try and get this to the right size, right? So these are gonna go through there and about to there. Plus you gotta have some wire. What you don't wanna do is cut this too far back and then you have the exposed wires, right? You still want this casing to show. So we'll go about right there. So then I'm just gonna take my utility knife, run around the black casing, nice and easy, nothing crazy. Then you just break it. All right, and then it'll open up, boom, and you have your exposed wires, okay? All right, then you take your wire strippers, and we're gonna strip this down. Let's see, just wanna get it to the right length, right? You don't need it too long. So we're gonna call that about a 1/2 inch. All right, so we're gonna strip that about right there. Bang. Bang. And there. Boom. Okay, so now you have your exposed wires. Then I'm just gonna give these a nice little twisteroo. All right, so the first thing you gotta do is you gotta make sure that you get this plug end on here, right? So we're just gonna put it on there, scoot it on down. Then what we're gonna do is get these wires ready to put into our plug. Okay, so I like to put a nice little twist on them, and then they're color coded, right? To make it nice and idiot proof. So your green is your ground and your screw on your ground is green. So you know that green goes with green, and then you're gonna screw it in and get that sucker nice and tight. Then you're gonna repeat that same process with your white and your black. Okay, and as soon as you get that green in, you got less slack to work with, so it can be a little bit more difficult to get your black in there. That was actually not bad. And then, generally speaking, your last one is the hardest because you've got the least amount of slack possible. See what I'm saying? I want to get all that contact, as much contact on that freaking thing as I can. There we go. Nope, nope. So if you fuck it up like this, like I am right now, can always start over. Let me give this one more good shot. And we're gonna get it this time, watch me. Money. Money. Okay, we're gonna sink that down. All right, make sure we're nice and freaking tight. Yes, yes, and yes. Okay. Okay, then your end slides up the plug. Line up your screws like that. And these go in super easy. The threads are very, very, very coarse, very wide. Boom. All right. We're now ready to rip. Now this one is a pretty nice one. A lot of them, that's the whole thing. This one's got this extra piece that I took off in the very beginning, which is pretty cool. See that? That's what I was telling you. You don't want to have your casing show like that. So that's why this little piece is kind of cool. Okay. And I'll have these exact ones for you linked in the description. Okay. Bam. Okay. Then you sink that screw in. Normally I like to do this with an electric drill, so I'd be done by now. But here in the warehouse, I don't have one handy, so we're doing this manually. So you don't tighten one down all the way and then get the other one. You kind of go back and forth so you get them even. And what it'll do is, see, it's starting to pinch my cord. You just get that thing nice and tight, and it's just gonna keep your cord from getting yanked out, right? So if somebody yanks on this, it's not gonna pull the wires out of the screws in there. That's what this pinch is for. Now she's getting nice and tight. All right, there we go. So we got her done. We have power. So the last thing we do is make sure you test this before you take it to somebody's house, because if it doesn't work, you're screwed, because you just got a blower with a plug on it that's wrong. Yeah, here we go. First things first, let's hope it doesn't explode on me. Good to go. Okay, we have power. Here we go. Woo, success. So there you go. That is how you replace the cord end of your blower. Now you're ready to inflate. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Peace out.